We learned about the while situation that was in the second part of the sentence. First sentence was a normal sentence, how it starts, and the next sentence, neben starts. We put the verb and the end, conjugated verb and the end. Now the question is, what happens when the while situation comes in the beginning? Let's learn that. Okay. In this. Many of the students have been explained by me about the while situation in the next sentence when it comes in the second sentence, and not in the case when it comes in the first part, first sentence. There is the board, you open the board, notepad, notepad is a board. The windows is open, so I just close it and just go to the window. In no why situation, when it comes in the beginning, what happens in the beginning is like this. While wir Deutsch lernen möchten, besuchen, understood, see the pattern. Besuchen, besuchen wir einen Deutschkurs. Deutschkurs. While in the beginning, while wir Deutsch lernen möchten should come here. Besuchen wir einen Deutschkurs. While same logic, the modal verb at the end, if preceded by the main verb, second verb, and end in the normal sentence which comes before this, and the other subject and the verb is conjugated as per the subject, then the other words of the sentence. You can also see if you want to understand the position of the word, I'll explain it later. While each noun, not straight, yeah, right with that, möchten wir, this is the pattern, möchten wir einen, möchten wir einen Deutschkurs, Deutschkurs, Leid, weil wir Deutsch lernen. This sentence will be exactly as per the why situation that comes in the second sentence. And this sentence will be worth understanding. While wir Deutsch lernen möchten, same why situation will come here in this sentence. Immediately you come, verb will come. That is the important thing. While wir Deutsch lernen must haben wir then where second one goes to the end here. Where without. You can note down. You can pause the video and note down the sentences for your reference. While minor and then just write on this and understand the pattern. You not understand the rule. You not by heart any rules. While minor find in mid comment, mid com, mid com. Most together, comma ish. Immediately after the comma, we have the verb. It's for the pen bar as well. While minor. This sentence you are not much concerned. The first sentence you're concerned about the second sentence after the comma. This is the normal why situation. First sentence you understand that it is a perfectly why situation. It's verb in the end. But when the second sentence is followed by it, we have another pattern. It comes. First sentence do not observe anything. It comes. Only it's a why situation. Möchten wir, möchte ich auch mitkommen. One, two, three, four, five. Five patterns you need to remember when the when five situation comes in the when the why situation comes in the beginning. Immediately after the comma, we have to conjugate it. You can note these down and understand the why situation comes in the beginning. There is a sentences here with when. When means if. If. When means if. A condition. A condition is put. For example, if thus better. If only if thus better which is called as when. If that, if the weather is, sorry, weather is good today. If weather is very good, we will go for a picnic. So if is when does weather heute heute gut ist, comma, we will go for a picnic. Machen wir einen Ausflug. When comes in the beginning, just the mixture of both the conditions. When is condition, when it is in the beginning, it is a while situation in the beginning, normal verb and end, comma, followed by immediately comma. After the comma, we have the verb. Machen wir einen Ausflug. When follows while situation. When, that is if, follows while situation. It come in the beginning as well as in end. When follows while situation. There are many other conjunctions which follow the while situation. Discuss that later. Discuss that later. Other while situation sentence words which are called as conjunctions. We discuss later. While das Wetter gut ist, comma, immediately the verb. Machen wir einen. Need out, you can ask me in the class or you can comment in the YouTube video. We go here. And then both methods they have explained here. Wir kommen nicht, while as when as regnet. Normal our while situation in the second position, in the last second sentence. We learned just now the while situation in the beginning, and when as regnet, comma, when normal while situation sentence, comma, immediately followed by the verb. Understood? Next sentence is I just explained it to you orally. Hier passieren das Wetter schön ist. Ist hier passieren, comma, wenn das Wetter schön ist. The first A pattern. Understood. When it comes in the beginning, when in the beginning, when das Wetter schön ist, comma, gehe ich spazieren. I can write this down, but I guess you should try it on your own. If you don't understand, you can ask me questions. Understood. Okay. We'll do more practice in the next session. Thank you.